Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and having a good time at home. Students, this is our Islamiyat lesson and today we are going to discuss a new topic which is Muslim greetings. Alright students, open page number 23 of your Islamiyat book. Yes, this page. Alright, first of all, let's discuss what is Muslim greetings. Muslims greet each other by saying Assalamu alaikum, which means may peace be upon you. And in reply, we say Wa alaikum assalam, which means may peace be upon you too. When Muslims greet each other, Allah is happy with us and gives us rewards, and it also increases love and respect for each other. We should greet everyone, our families, friends, teachers, helpers. So whenever you meet someone, always say Assalamu alaikum. Now we are going to learn Muslim greetings from Umar and Hana and will sing a poem with them.
Umar and Hana. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Wa alaikum assalam. Do you know that saying salam is a good practice? Allah likes it. Let's say salam to everybody. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
May peace be upon you, mommy dear and daddy too. We love you, mommy and daddy.
Love you too.
Alhamdulillah.
Allahu Akbar.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
May peace be upon you, our dear Ustaz Musa.
Let's do it every day. Say salam to everyone. Together we will love everyone and anyone.
Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. May peace be upon you, Ferris dear and Sarah too. Look, it's Miss Lila. Yes, it is. Let's say salam to her. Come on. Miss Lila. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
May peace be upon you, our dear Miss Lila. Let's do it every day. Say salam to everyone. Together we will love everyone and anyone.
Let's do it every day. Say salam to everyone. Together we will love everyone and anyone.
See you again, everyone. Assalamu alaikum.
Alright class, I hope you enjoyed this poem and understand the concept of Muslim greeting. Now it is your assignment time. Now let's come back to page number 23 of your Islamiyat book. There are 6 questions on this page and your assignment of the day is you have to memorize answer of all these questions. Our question number 1 is what do we say when we meet each other? And we have already discussed this answer. We say Assalamu alaikum when we meet each other. Our next question is what does Assalamu alaikum means? And I am sure you all know this answer too. It means may peace be upon you. Question number 3 is what do we say in reply of Assalamu alaikum? Answer is we say Wa alaikum assalam. Number 4 is what does Wa alaikum assalam means? Answer is Wa alaikum assalam means may peace be upon you too. Alright, our next question is what did Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam say about salam? Answer is Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said greet each other by saying Assalamu alaikum. Now our last question is what happens if we say Assalamu alaikum? So the answer is if we say Assalamu alaikum to each other, it increases the respect and love for each other. Thank you so much class. Jazakallah.